Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will discuss the topic of factorization from your exercise 3B book 2. There are some rules that you have to follow like plus plus will be changed into plus plus. Why I am writing this I will let you know after a few minutes. Plus minus will be written as plus minus, there will be no change. Then minus minus will be written as minus plus, and minus plus will be written as minus minus. If you will follow these rules which I told you now, there will be no chance of mistake in your question of midterm breaking or of factorization. So I will prefer that you should follow these rules which I have told you now. Now the question is, for example, the question is in front of you is x square plus 7x plus 10. Question is saying you have a quadratic expression and you need to factorize it. I'm just giving you one example. Now look at this. This is 10 and this is 7x. Basically, the thing you have to do, you have to break the midterm. As I told you, the other name of factorization is midterm breaking. So you need to break this midterm. This midterm is 7 and its constant is 10. Basically, you need to find out a pair of a number. You need to find a pair of a number. If you will multiply that pair, you will get this constant, and when you will add or subtract according to these given signs, it will give you this coefficient of x. For example, let's say here this plus and plus, but you are thinking that why I have written these signs. I'll let you know, don't worry. Right now think about a pair of a number that will give you 10. I repeat, think about a pair of a number that will give you 10. So let's say it's 2 and 5. 2 5s are 10. Or you can say 5 2s are 10. And add these two numbers as well. Is it giving you 7? Yes, it is. Then 5 multiply 2 is 10. And 5 plus 2 is 7. That's right. This pair is very useful for us. This pair we will use to split, to break this midterm into two parts. Now, look over these signs what I have written over here. This pair will be used according to this sign. These signs which I have written on the left side, these are the signs of the question. Plus plus, plus plus, plus plus, plus plus. And these are the signs of the pair which I have just told you. I have chosen 5, 2 pair, which is very suitable for my question that is given right now. 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 7. So my pair will be used here like this. So these two signs will be used with my pair which I have chosen. It means if in the question plus plus is given, this plus plus, then with the pair of that number which you will use to split that number into two parts, or in other words you can say the pair of that number which you will use to break the midterm, that pair will be used these two signs, positive positive. If in the question if it is positive positive, then with that pair you will use positive positive. For example, let's say if in the question it is plus minus, then with that pair which you will use to split this number into two halves or two parts, not halves, into two parts, then this pair will be used. So let's start. How you will write this pair now. So x square will come as it is. As you have split 7, so 5x plus 2x, the variable will be used of x because you have break the midterm, and that this is a midterm. So I can write this 5x plus 2x. I would prefer to write the larger value first and the smaller afterwards. And this plus 10 will come down as it is along with its sign. Now, what we will do, we will just factorize them while these two numbers separately. Take common from these two. You can see x and x, both are common, so pick it out. And inside the bracket, as it is x squared, so 1x will come here, already 1 is outside. Then plus From this, x is outside, we will write 5 here to complete it. And in your mind, if you will multiply this again, for example, if you will expand it again, in other words, so x square, x into x becomes x square plus 5 into x becomes 5x. And you know that factorization is a reverse reaction of expansion. So it's like that. Then again, plus from these two, what is the common multiple? Common multiple of 2 and 10 is 2. Then x plus 5. Why 5? Because we need 10 here. So 2 5s are 10. And this is your verification. Look, this is your verification that the terms which are inside the bracket here, they are same. They are same in a sequence. They are same in a size. There is no change. This is your verification that your solution is correct. If you are done till here, it means it's correct. Then both are common, same, to write it once, and the uncommon, which are outside the bracket, these are uncommon. Write them together in a bracket. This is how you have factorized the quadratic expression easily using this rule which I have told you. When you will follow this rule, there will be no mistake. There will be no chance of mistake if you will follow these rules. I'll do one more example for you. It will make you more clear. Now look at this one more example. It is x square minus 8x plus 12. Same rules we will follow here in this question as well. Now, as I told you, first of all, look, this is 12. You need to find out a pair which will be multiplied and you will get 12 and minus plus. This thing will be used here. In the question, minus plus, this is a question part, minus plus. And if in the question, if it is minus plus, then with the pair, you will use minus minus. So, generally, minus minus equals to plus. So, we will add that pair. So, find out a pair that will give you 8 after adding and that will give you 12 after multiplication. Yes, think about it. You can use a pair of 6 and 2. Why 6 and 2? Because 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 and 6 plus 2 is 8. In this way you can use. So let's start. X square as it is. So due to in the question minus plus is given, minus plus, I will take minus minus with this pair. So minus 6x and minus 2x and plus 12 will come down as it is. And then taking common from these two, x common x minus 6. From these two, 2 is a common multiple, minus 2x minus 6. If these are same, then write them once and x minus 2. Here it is. I hope you understood this point. In my next video, I will do questions of exercise 3B from the same book too. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.